Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto TV. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to present the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart, and we will be looking at few technical indicators, and we'll try to understand what the charts are telling us technically. So start करते हैं Bitcoin के chart से और Bitcoin के number से पहले. So Bitcoin, it's trading at 29,900. Again, we can see that the price is trading at around 30,000 level. So, which is as of now the smallest or the a very consolidated range for the Bitcoin, which is trading at 29,000 or 30,000 levels. So again, after a good rise, the price is coming back and it's trading at around 30,000 level. अगर आप ओवरऑल ट्रेंड की बात करते हैं, सो वी आर स्टिल इन अ नेगेटिव ट्रेंड, वी आर इन अ डाउन ट्रेंड बिकॉज आफ्टर अ गुड राइज, but yesterday we have seen a good fall of around, if I'm not wrong, it is around 6% or so. So after that fall, we can see the price is coming back again to the support zone. So that was one of the thing, yesterday, if you remember, in the last video we spoke about the RSI level, which was at 50. So 50 was a very important level, and the price is not able to hold up that level, and that's the reason हमें वहाँ पे एक अच्छा RSI के लेवल में भी हमें कम होता हुआ, फॉल होता हुआ नजर आया है. सो एज ऑफ नाउ RSI अभी 44 पर है, एंड इफ यू लुक एट द मूविंग एवरेजेस हियर, so 50 EMA is at 33,586, 100 EMA level है 36,915, 200 EMA is at 40,348, and कोई चेंज नहीं है हमारे पास सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस लेवल्स में. सो सपोर्ट 1 is at 29,000, support 2 is at 25,823, resistance 1 is at 32,330, and resistance 2 is at 35,335. Let's quickly move on to the chart of Bitcoin. All right, now if you look at here, give me a second. So if you look at here, you can see that I'll zoom it and I'll come to the current situation. Okay, now if you look at here, on 30th May we have got this around 8% momentum, and then we are we were getting a dozy. अब यहाँ पे after this dozy, this was a sign when we were getting an indication that buyers, they are not able to close above the important resistance of 32,330, and that's the reason, yesterday, if you remember, till the time we recorded this session, there was a dozy, and after that session, or in the evening time, you can see a fall of around 6%. But one thing looks good here, that price is still trading slightly higher than the 29,000 support level. So you can see that again the price is trading in a very small, in a very tight range of 29,000, 31,000 levels only. So in the recent times, you can see price 2-3 times tried to close above then 32,330 levels, but as of now the buyers were less than the sellers, and every time the price reaches there, the sellers came and they just pushed the price towards the downside. So this is happening here, and if you look at the volumes, not much volumes are there. And today also, let's just wait for the evening session, and then we might able to get more clarity. But overall trend looks little negative, little bearish, and the same thing happened with the Bitcoin. With the Ethereum. So for the Ethereum, you can see the prices again coming back to 1800 levels. So the low of Ethereum in the recent times is somewhere around 1700. So again, the Ethereum is trading at the lower level of, at the support level, very near to the support level. And if you look at the overall trend, we can see a negative trend. And if you look at the RSI, which is at 38. मूविंग एवरेजेस के लेवल्स भी कुछ इस तरह से हैं. 50 EMA का लेवल है 2311 पर, 100 EMA है 2605 पर, एंड 200 EMA है 2865 पर. कोई चेंज नहीं है सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस लेवल्स में. सो सपोर्ट 1 है हमारा 1724, सपोर्ट 2 है 1510, रेजिस्टेंस 1 है 2145 का, और रेजिस्टेंस 2 है 2336 का. आइए देखते हैं चार्ट को, एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट वी कैन सी हियर. ओके, नाउ after this rise of around 10%, there was a fall after that. So again, you can clearly see that buyers at this point of time are very weak. are very less, and every time you can see a small rally or something, you can see that sellers will come and they will again push the price towards the downside. But one thing looks here interesting, that this particular Ethereum, especially if you look at here, you can get some kind of range, because अगर मैं बिटकॉइन की बात करते तो बिटकॉइन का रेंज ही बहुत कम आ रहा है। इथीरियम में थोड़ा सा हमको एक रेंज मिल रहा है, सपोर्ट लेवल है 1725 का और रेजिस्टेंस है 2145 का। सो प्राइस इसी के बीच में थोड़ा बहुत ट्रेड हो रहा है, और आप देख सकते हैं कि थोड़े से वॉल्यूम्स भी यहाँ पे बिटकॉइन के कंपैरिजन में ज़्यादा है। सो थोड़ा सा यहाँ ट्रेडिंग एक्टिविटी हमें ज़्यादा देखने को मिल रहा है एज कम्पेयर टू बिटकॉइन, एंड डेफिनेटली ये अभी अभी वी आर नॉट क्लियर अबाउट द ट्रेंड डायरेक्शन, बिकॉज हाँ डेफिनेटली प्राइस ने थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे एक स्टेबलाइजेशन लिया है, स्टेबिलिटी लिया है, बट अपसाइड का या रिवर्सल का अभी तक हमें ना ही बिटकॉइन में ना ही इथेरियम में कोई इंडिकेशन मिल रहा है। सो दिस इज हाउ वी बेसिकली you can look at that if the price is rising, maybe the price will come back to the support level, and once it is reaching to support, you will see the resistance level. You will see that the price will reach to the resistance level. So this is how the sideways or a consolidation trading is happening in almost in these two currencies. So this is how we basically conduct this analysis, and I hope you are learning something, some technical tools or some technical analysis. So I hope you will watch it, and thank you so much for watching it.